Forgotten username recovery failed on SyndicateRoom Fix. If you're trying to recover your SyndicateRoom username and the recovery system keeps failing, don't panic. This is a common issue that's confused many investors, but the reason behind it might surprise you. Most people get this wrong because they assume SyndicateRoom still uses usernames. But over time, the platform shifted to email-based logins, just like most modern investment portals. That means the forgot username feature often doesn't return any results, especially for older accounts. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, go to the SyndicateRoom login page and try signing in directly with your registered email address instead of a username. If you're not sure which one you used, search your inbox for old SyndicateRoom investment confirmations. Those emails always show the registered contact address. Second, if you can't remember your password either, click Forgot Password and enter that same email. If you get a reset link that confirms your account is still active. Third, if you still can't access your account, contact SyndicateRoom support. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed and include your full name, the email you think is connected, and the date or name of a company you invested in if possible. These details help their team quickly locate your profile. Most people waste time retrying the recovery form, but the real fix is understanding that SyndicateRoom no longer relies on usernames. Everything now runs through your email and password combination for better security and ease of use. So the solution isn't about finding your old username, it's about verifying your registered email and resetting access through that. Once you follow these steps, you'll be back into your SyndicateRoom account smoothly and securely.